All right, everybody, we're back again. Anyway, so we're starting our new garden back this year. As you can see, we just dug up the ground. That's it, we're still digging it up. And we're about to start making videos every week, or at least when I can. So basically, for y'all to follow from last year, go back and watch all last year videos if you get a chance to. But we're starting out this year again, so just look forward to every week of us making new videos, showing you how the garden is progressing throughout the summer, okay? And some of these right here, I have some seeds soaking in water, if y'all can see that. So I'm gonna put those in the ground. And also, we got some plants over here that's already grown. We got some pickling cucumber right here. These are the watermelons right here. Bell peppers. Of course, my wife, she got some her sage and some of her herbs. Got some eggplant right here. Let me check this plant out. Yeah, eggplant. Over here, about a few weeks ago, I planted some romaine lettuce in this pot right here. This is where I had the crack pot zucchini last year. So I just threw some in there. Look, they look nice already. So I threw these in a couple of weeks ago. Also, I'm gonna show y'all something else. These are collard greens right here, and they lasted throughout the winter. So they stayed in this pot, and I got the seed pods right here. And later on, I'm gonna take all these seeds off of here. Get all these seeds. And I'm gonna replant them later. And right here, I threw some snap bean seeds in here a few weeks ago. And as you can see, these are snap beans coming up right here. Right here. And in the middle, this big old plant in the middle is a potato plant. Actually, I put 3 potatoes in this pot. And I put that back in March. I planted them deep, and I dug it up and dug it deep down and dropped some 3 it was almost rotten potatoes I found. So I just threw them in the ground. And now this plant right here is a potato plant. So maybe we'll get some potatoes out of this later on this year. And I'll keep y'all on that. All right, so this is pretty bad after that. I'm tired, it's hot out here. So after this, what I'm gonna do, after we smooth the ground out, so he's smoothing the ground out with the rake, we're gonna go ahead and plant the plants in each perspective area that we got for it. We got some more plants over here. Cherry tomato plants, eggplants. These are hot peppers. All right. So, like I said, we're gonna get all this in the ground. Try to get it by the end of the day. And maybe I'll cut in or maybe I'll just show you the results after we put everything in the ground. So we're doing this all live. It's a nice sunny day out here. Sun is shining bright. All right, and here's the blueberry bush we planted last year. And it's full of blueberries. Look at this. They're not ready yet, but it's full of blueberries. Blueberries everywhere. So hopefully they'll get bigger and turn purple. All right, so stay tuned, people. We'll be back. Actually, it looks rough.
What are you doing?
We're pruning off the leaves at the bottom. You don't want them touching the ground.
Why?
Disease. Those don't gotta go deep now. The surface don't gotta go deep. They go as deep as the bell there. See this bell right here? Let's go.
one is a jalapeno.
Yeah, just put enough to cover the barrel, that's it. So they can take off and grow. Put them too deep, they're not gonna grow. Right.
Other. Actually, I don't even think that other pepper was that other pepper wasn't a jalapeno pepper. It was actually a hot banana pepper. So this one and the other one over there was a hot banana pepper.
You got so many of those things last year, man. That's like crazy.
Yeah, but
that should be enough right there.
But we put them in the freezer and froze them, and we're able to eat them during the winter.
Yep,
so
that's
actually
what you do
worked out
with
good.
them. There's gonna be abundance of those. We're gonna get a deep enough to hide from the sun. Some of this native soil around the roots. Just kind of put some dirt around it. And water it in. You know, these don't need water right away. These two, y'all put some water into these two little ones. Hit them right away. They're gonna struggle. Not be too close. Gotta do what you gotta do. Come up the root ball. Anyway, so this is the garden after we got it planted. And actually, I want to admit a mistake. So when I said that we planted it on the 21st, we actually planted it on May the 23rd. So you can see we kind of late again. But it's not our fault. It's just because the weather was so cold. And we had like 30-degree nights still. So anyway, there you go. There's your tomato plants right here. Four of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we got these two little ones right here, banana peppers. And I think those two in the back are jalapenos. And then these 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bell peppers. These are eggplants. 1, 2, 3, 4. That right there is a pickling cucumber. So is that one and that one. And then right here, they didn't come up yet, I planted zucchinis. Put one here, here, and there, and there. 4. And then in this row, I got more cucumbers. And these are pickling cucumbers. They like the cucumbers, what can I say? And then over here, of course, we have the watermelon. This one right there. 2, 3, 4, 5. And I planted some on the hill back there. They're seeds. They need to come up later on. So that's what we have this year. And you see what it looks like now? Today is May the 26th. That's what it looks like. Looks like nothing right now. But we'll see. So just follow us I want you to share the video with friends and family also, so y'all can do the same thing. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can see all the upcoming videos that come directly to your phone. All right, and that'll be about it. Oh, look at this! It's actually grew even more. These this is romaine lettuce, so it actually grew a little more. Oh, and I forgot. Right here, I planted the in this row right here, I planted the snap sugar beans right here. So I put a whole row of them right here. Hopefully they grow up this little fence I put up. I forgot about those. Anyway, and of course my potato plant. There you go. So y'all have a wonderful day. See you next video. Peace.